That's it, Emily Elizabeth. You're doing great.
Thanks, Dad. Do you think I can do it alone?
You'll never know until you try.
Okay, here I go.
Oops. Looks like you need a little more practice.
A lot more practice.
Come on, then. Let's get to it.
Are you gonna rescue someone with an apple, Clifford?
Uh-huh. A hungry animal.
Wow, what kind of animal?
Well, I'm not sure. I didn't really get a good look at him. He's inside a burrow, and it's kind of dark in there.
Oh, then how do you know he's hungry?
Oh, he's hungry, all right. He can't even move, he's so hungry. I think he's so weak that he fell asleep right in the middle of the day.
You know, Clifford, some animals like to sleep during the day, on purpose. They come out at night to eat.
He's in here, Jorge. I'm gonna try and wake him up so he can get this apple.
What was that?
Skunk!
Good job, Emily Elizabeth. You're doing great.
Wow, you look terrific.
Okay, now, you're headed for the curve, so start to turn a little.
Turn? How do I do that?
Just lean your body.
Lean away from the curve.
Careful!
I'm trying!
Oh, my.
Are you okay?
I'm never going to get this right. Oh, I'm never gonna be a hero, Jorge.
Ah, that's okay, Clifford. Being a hero isn't that important. Really.
Well, I guess not.
Yeah, come on, buddy. Let's go see how the girls are doing on their skates.
Okay. Look, Jorge. Emily Elizabeth looks so sad.
Yeah, I wonder what's wrong.
I don't know, but I'm gonna find out. Where'd you come from, boy? Well, I'm sure glad you're here. I haven't been having such a great day. I'm trying to learn how to skate backwards, but it's hard. I don't know if I'll ever learn. Oh, Clifford, you always make me feel better. And you know what? Tomorrow I'm going to come back here and learn to skate backwards. Thank you for cheering me up, boy, and for being the best friend in the whole world.
Come on, Emily Elizabeth. We're gonna build a snowman.
I'll be right there. Come on, guys.
Emily Elizabeth sure looks happy now, and it's all because of you.
You know, Jorge, I bet being someone's best friend feels just as good as being a hero.
Maybe even better.
But they don't make statues of you for being a best friend.
Oh, yes, they do. Look.
Wow, it's me.
It sure is, buddy. Come on.